Welcome to Learning Kids channel. Hello kids, today we are going to draw a cute little angel with shiny wings, and let's see some short story with this angel and a small girl who feels scared in the dark. One rainy evening, a little girl named Lily was sitting alone in her room. The thunder went boom. Lily hugged a teddy bear tightly because she was afraid of the loud sound. Suddenly, a tiny glowing light appeared near the window. Out came a sweet little angel with fluffy wings, curly hair, and a warm smile. "Don't worry, Lily," the angel said softly. "You are safe." The angel gently fluttered her wings, and tiny glowing stars floating around the room. The room became very bright. Lily stopped shaking and smiled happily. Then the angel held Lily's hand and said, "Whenever you feel scared, remember there is a tiny brave light inside your heart, just like a little star." Lily looked out the window again. The thunder didn't feel scary anymore. The angel gave Lily a magic goodnight hug and slowly floated back into the sparkling sky. Lily waved goodbye with a big smile and slept peacefully with her teddy bear. And from that night on, whenever Lily felt afraid, she remembered the kind little angel and her glowing stars. Hey kids, how was the story? Do you like it? Come on kids, come and draw this beautiful angel drawing and start coloring. Hey kids, you finished your own angel drawing, right? Great job kids! How was the story and drawing? If you like my story drawing, please tell your parents to subscribe our channel for more funny story drawings. Bye bye.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for more videos. Bye bye.